In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix message failed to load error on Discord. If you're seeing the message failed to load error on Discord, it usually means the app is having trouble retrieving messages from Discord servers. This can happen because of a temporary connection problem, an outdated app, corrupted cache data, or a temporary service issue. Fortunately, there are several simple checks you can perform to identify the cause and get your messages loading normally again. To get started, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open a few websites or other online services to confirm your connection is stable. If your network seems slow or unstable, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switching to another network if one is available. Once your connection is stable, return to Discord and check whether the messages load correctly. If the issue continues, refresh Discord. On the desktop app, you can reload the application, while in your browser, you can simply refresh the page. A refresh forces Discord to request the latest data again, which often resolves temporary loading problems. Next, check whether Discord is running the latest version. Keeping the application updated ensures you have the newest bug fixes and performance improvements. If you're using Discord in a web browser, try opening it in a different supported browser to see whether the issue is related to your current browser. If you're using the desktop application and the error still appears, clear Discord's cache. Cached files can occasionally become outdated or corrupted, preventing messages from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, reopen Discord and allow it to rebuild the necessary files automatically. It's also worth checking Discord's server status. If Discord is experiencing an outage or ongoing maintenance, message loading issues may affect many users at the same time. In that case, the best solution is simply to wait until the service has been fully restored. If the problem only occurs in a specific server or channel, make sure you still have permission to access it. A removed channel, updated permissions, or changes made by a server administrator can also prevent messages from loading properly. After completing these checks, restart Discord and sign back into your account if necessary. This refreshes your session and helps ensure all recent changes are applied correctly. If the error still hasn't been resolved, it may be a temporary issue with Discord servers or your network connection. Waiting a short time before trying again often resolves these situations. That's all there is to it. You've now learned several effective ways to troubleshoot and fix the message failed to load error on Discord. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,